Beside our power. I know about the power of the gospel hour. Media also. Yada we have got say ebi say Masai eno Asia. Church of Christ e won yema bebre e de ma oman no. Say Yakobon asam ene ya kan enkwa dia. Church of Christ ejitum say asori a Awurade Yesu Kristo e de abesi wo. Say yemfa kwan bia so na yen church oman no. Na enipa bebre ebe hu Yakobon enokre no. Anutie na nwedie so ene oman no esua onyame asam ma kwan hu do bebre so na sisi media ene mo ehwe ne den no eye okwan yenam so a ye behu enkemosom emu yie ene okwan yenam so ye betumi ni womo asua de na ye wi ni womo amamo aba kristosun mu e kamia say ye pasa work ye kono so obeka no kra e ba bibia na ho a so ye preacher o so ye church leader o say epo we ordinary member o ye pasa work ye kono nkemofo enka ho you do baby na kamuni ati wako ayese o we de wayra yetwem ene na yanko that be I am wrong a high time one asasa yenye nimidie e wo Yakobon asem no emu na yetumi ene nkamofo no ehia na afei kola no a nkamofo no ahwem a omo edesom ala no eno so yenya eho enimidie wo Yakobon ahira Churches of Christ na Brother Dominic Amponsa say dumedie yane no etiso enie na yebuabue Quran no emu yewe enema wodo a ewo Quran no mu ene akamofo agenda about the world say wo mo butai na no so mo dane ewiase na ewiase eyina abaye akamofo eman midide say wadi dumedie yi achi YouTube no ukọ brother no, in short BRO Richmond K with dot and Arthur brother Richmond K Arthur was abeka yudumedie honom sara na on the Facebook no and so no the power of the gospel hour no and also ubenya sara wo hwe your screen no eso a osapeka ni Dominic Amponsa the numbers etwa so sara so ni page the dwedi a wodie eyina debate ahodo ane adesua one churches esua eda nimdie ewo nimu adi ede ama oman no nyina wobenya ewo honom na menu mienu nyina atumi enya saa nimdie na ye de aboa mo Yakobon anyindie no atumi wie ebaye obani yase shebie mu ida de midi mu papa wa sha se umwai ma ye nimdie pese ye ni wie ya afide de unya soba ya da Yakobon ase papa mekala samo ye shia na manu eguso de ne ebisa wo ensembisa awudobi na anam pese ya de ehase it's all about Islamization efforts in modern times say ya bria ya umi nkamusom no still utumu say e grow fast said ye omo adusuana me ye say eye okun asatatashi we by force I say wujitum wan ya ntumu ani ye beyi wa firi ho saa ni maniama ni ade no afeso adusuani ma ye hu say say omo oman ni mu na say enya ade wo mo ho edo so dodo a wo mo appear say a peaceful religion there was wo mo bedo so pe na fe ade na be do before complain e person me no efra say e ho no ye numu su kakra na bubue enema kakra so na ye hu modern time asada ade na ekọ na fe ye wi a fa we ato asoma me implications of the Islamic State agenda on Christianity.
Okay. Onuya Richmond. But that's papa for the opportunity that you have given me.
Welcome.
Ashafo mo share dumeji so and amon so ase. Yen pa bo nyina ne say sa de hien ye nyina e be somo ye na any place of mina ache na agenda kamofo ewo so say
aya ma won so kaka wa mi
enkamofo we asi na be enkaman no ye di hujuma na in our modern times no enkamofo bombarding pa say agenda ne say the whole world be Islamic State no sa agenda no ebe koso Now, the previous episode, near Kai said one of the major ways and come for our first and say, oh, Mamma, we are seeing a bank of 9 years. Terrorism, said Basa ye, Yunkunku amount for in the name of Islam, one of the agenda that jihad. There were so many Islamic terrorist organizations, Al Qaeda, ISIS, Al Shabaab, Boko Haram, Taliban, Hezbollah, so many terrorist organizations. These organizations, organizations are Arab countries, sponsor them secretly to destroy Christian churches, to attack Christians.
Okay.
In Soko, Nigeria, most of the Christian churches that were not in Nigeria has been destroyed by Boko Haram. So in our modern times, one of the ways and for used to say, so worldwide Islamic State agenda, we say terrorism in the name of Islam. After so, you can be said migration according to so baby the Muslims should migrate there and settle there.
Okay.
And within some few time, then they will take over. Because in Kramofuna more than Christians. It's migration. And so Bagana has say, so many of our cities are the Muslim population is rising. We call Europe Mamwa. Now Muslims are going to Europe than never before. USA, UK, all those Amamani Christian dominated countries in one of the ways and used to say those countries in Islamic territory migration. We call France, Germany, many of the places in Europe, the Muslim population is now rising. Now places are more there, they don't allow non-Muslims to even go there and practice their religion.
It's very bad.
The Ghana has say, that's what is going on. Migration. Now Muslims are now coming. Back Ghana, so many people are coming to Ghana, and within some few years to come, if it goes like this, they are going to take over Ghana. Very, very soon.
And then because Christopher and say you to me defining Yami.
And the first approach there terrorism.
Okay.
Number 2, migration.
Very good.
Number 3, politics. We share and you may say we are similar, especially our country Ghana. There is an agenda for Muslims to take over Ghana, and one of the ways we say politics, that they should push more Muslims into politics. Okay. And to share Ghana, MP NDC now, and look at the Muslims are now trying to take over these 2 main parties. We now getting more Muslim MPs in parliament.
And Christopher, we say politics. Okay.
And they are now taking over. And that's what they did in Nigeria. Christians were so silent. They handed over the political institution to the Muslims, and now Muslims now control the.
Now, choose a Christian and politics.
No, it's not true.
Dirty politics,
dirty politics. But Christian can practice politics. Oh, now Christopher politics, who should go and make laws for us? Wow. And that's what is happening in most of those countries. Christopher is so reluctant to enter into politics, and Muslims were entering into politics. We share a Solomon election here. Look at the number of Muslims that are contesting.
It's true.
So one way, for a person of us now, one dominate we are say politics. Okay. We call USA, we call UK, London. Muslims are now pushing themselves into politics. So with the time, when you more political strength, then they will push for the agenda, the Sharia law, and this is we call Gambia CC, that they are now proposing for Sharia law.
But I don't think that your generation is
London. If things go the way they are going, it may happen in our generation. Because according to Pew Research Institute, Islam, there will be more Muslims in the world than Christians by the year 2050. 2050. About 30 years to come, we are going to have more Muslims than Christians. Christians are about 2.3 billion. As at now, the Muslims are 1.8 billion. So in about next 30 years, according to Pew Research Institute, a research institute here in USA, according to them, the way AC economy, the way Pew Research Institute, PGW, USA, they do research on demography, population and stuff, and they are saying that by 2050 there will be more Muslims in the world than Christians. They don't allow Christians to practice their religion.
That's the issue.
Christian missionaries cannot send Bible to even those countries, you know. But maybe an increase of here one day we allow them freedom of worship
to come.
Freedom of worship, but where they are, no, there's no freedom of worship. Sharia and under the Sharia law, there's no freedom of worship.
Well, yeah, and we just some pan who Susano.
Yeah, a trooper. It's a mini. I did because this year USA and USA full cramp for conquer ISIS now. The one in ISIS for air corner, then no cramp on them. Now Muslims are trying to take over USA. They are now pushing more Muslims into USA. UK will soon fall for Islam if things goes the way they are going. France. So many things. We now have hundreds of Sharia courts. UK. So they are now pushing themselves. And the Arab countries are sponsoring, pushing money into Christian-dominated countries. Look at the policies that governments in Iran in favor of Islam. Zongo Development Fund. And Arabic is now going to be taught in the basic schools. Ministry for Zongo Development and inner cities. All they say, you know, every year government subsidize them.
Yeah.
And Christians are silent. So they are pushing themselves into politics. So a time will come that we are going to get more Muslims into politics, and we get a young Muslim president here, then they are going to fast track the agenda.
Okay.
Yeah, and so I did hear you. So these are some of their strategies in modern times.
And politics, and it is working. It is working.
It is working.
It is working because you can see it.
Yeah.
So why also back on the minimum?
Yeah. And marriages, our almost shankle for my man cries on one Christopher Mba. Nti ko yen kura se na ade na bebre kru kesim na ni na kemofo no ewa wole Christopher Mba no easy, then they convert them to Islam.
And then I'm a question we have Embremwa.
Yeah.
Christians' attitude aiding the Islamization agenda. Like Nyama, how do we a Christopher Isaac? Oh, I don't call it be family home way and yashi. What when for Cassidy was a main towner and for and I'm quiet. I just at least people say read about you know but over now video about forest.
Yeah.
This a great and woodry.
Yeah.
And never buy and a group of 4 yet your man was than fire one. You be a near Buswa, a speedy up. Emma, and come for and you made it to because of
Onyamedasi. You want to hear Christopher years here. If it continues like that, this agenda will come to pass. And very soon, most of the Christians
and
if things goes like this, if your Koswayesa and Yomana, this agenda will come to pass.
Okay.
Now, what ignorance? She said, many Christians, including pastors, preachers, they don't know anything about Islam.
They're even afraid of Quran and say,
we come there. Oh. So, what ignorance? How many Christians even know the teaching of the Quran about Christianity and about this agenda here came? How many preachers, how many evangelists, how many church elders, how many church leaders even know this kind of things about Islam? We don't know anything about Islam. So we easily fall in for their tricks.
Yeah.
Secretary Bible Christiania. Oh, you know, yes, when you come back, we all worship one God. Then the Christian parents will hand over their daughter to the Muslim. But Christian they will tell you, say, become a Muslim before. Because they have an agenda to take over the whole world. So Christians are ignorant. How many Bible colleges and I'm all run a course about Islam? When you go to Islamic training center, maybe I would training them for sheikhs and imams now. They are teaching them how to punch holes in the Bible, how to convert Christians. In your ma, we are Christian, we share Christian, we to market from the Bible. Only Christian name will say Christos and your papa. But how many Christians can even quote the Quran, study, cite some passage in the Quran to make some point? Say in Christos and your son papa.
Yeah,
we don't know all those things, so we are not teaching our children about Islam. And the Muslims are learning about Christianity in a way that they will use to attack our faith. But how many Christians know even some basic information about Islam? All that we know is say, well, Islam was founded by Muhammad. That is all that we do. Ignorance. We don't know the agenda, and that is because of ignorance. And we conquer most of the Christian lands, Because many of those Asian Christians, they took Islam to be a sect. they saw Islam as just a religion, just anyhow. Hey, they never knew say assume a cool agenda so say we are saying nah they should dominate. So we easily give in to their agenda because of our ignorance. So number one, ignorance. Then number two, fear. Osuro. And then come up for the when we are violent, so we should not even talk about the Muslims. Kremafo to me general radio so they preach against Christian. They lambast Paul, preach sia Paul, preach sia yes no mo dia njenkwa, yes yen yankopon ba, yes yen say na Christopher na edin. And the big Christian cannot even come out and respond to all these objections that we really see in GDA.
Yeah.
Because the fear is that, or the mantra is that Muslims are violent. So you don't even have to speak about Muslims.
But according to the New Testament scriptures, or catching and say, my yusuro, if you say, Uyamia Maye,
yeah, God has not given us the spirit of timidity.
But how?
Oh, in the West first century, Osman Paul, it will call you for us. Paul, it will call so many places. Paul was preaching the word of God by Christians. Just say we just want to be in our comfort zone.
Yeah,
we are not addressing Islam. Public preaching say yeah. Even we the churches of Christ in our public preaching, we are not even addressing the Muslims. All that we mention is the denominational those denomination in line with the New Testament scripture. That is all that we talk about. But the Muslims, we have neglected the Muslims. All because of fear. And near me, many people have been telling me I should stop because these people will put you to death and so many.
Wow!
Yeah, I've been discovered so many times. You don't even have to debate Muslims. You should just forget about them.
Yeah, papa. Because at my way, I was to me a question, papa.
Number two, fear.
Okay.
Osuro. And then number three, our attitude toward politics.
Okay.
Politics Christopher Ghana Hano papa. Kremoni be a political position. His purpose is to use that position to promote Islam.
Okay.
But here Christopher politics, the Christian parliamentarians we put our selfish interest, we put our interest first. Say, this our position about Bua, man, you may be a man for a year. I am working so some because we don't talk about it.
When you say, I saw that Basano and also come in there because Uko Krumua and come for Moscow. Say, even today, I know who Krum Grandma. Adia Omoyan was 1, and 1 year was 2, and 1 year was 3. But Uba Chrysosumua, and they were 1 man churches. You see? Yeah, Orthodox for charismatics.
And obey the 4th point.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So the third point is our attitude toward politics. And this is a mistake. You know, Christopher more Nigeria. And then Nigeria more than minor shank more friends. Good luck, Jonathan. Christian. They told so good luck, Jonathan. Yeah, the right president. So we should vote for the Muslim president Buhari. Okay. Buhari. I'm a Nigerian mining. Radicalism is now growing in Nigeria. You should use your Christian influences to change things that are happening in the country. We should put God in our politics. Position. Look at what Dr. Baumia is doing. The way he's using his vice presidential, his position as a vice president, the way he's using to promote Islam. How many Christians and I position here as Christian leaders, as leaders, in the politics, this position they bua or some Christosum or Ghana. Now, and they Ghana have a gay marriage, Ghana.
Since I see you a national shrine, what
gay marriage? Say a man and man worry, a man and man and worry. Christians no dominate our parliament. We are not putting God first in our politics. No. And all these things is helping Islam to grow.
As a war, only the Messiani. Now go to me at the Bible, no. I don't know any Quran, actually, yeah. Oh, where down? Yeah. I don't know, open it. Yeah. Ghana ha in him say yamfa yamosum embata ama yosam ho
By Ghana have both NDC and NPP have created a caucus for Muslims. Zongo caucus and Nasara. Then. We are not talking about it. And yes, we are in majority. All these things Christians have to respond.
Yeah. Wow. It was a preacher for you to me 89 and also. Nah, we are Yasam. The Baba Muyi Papa.
Christians are more MPP for no. I think you go for to buy a what in Cremoson and I say, undue advantage are binding Muslims. No, yeah. Or Christian MPP, you not even speak against that because no can it will put MPP in a bad light.
That's it.
The same time, no NDC for also Christians are more NDC are into politics. No, more politicians. They will not speak against anything NDC for a year. Give undue advantage to Muslims.
Hypocrites politics, as they say, are the possible.
Ghana is a secular state, so why should Ghana Ghana sponsor Muslims? Government should give them subsidy in a hard board, and a Zongo Development Fund, and a Ministry for Zongo and inner city. All these things are against.
A Christopher and also
we are silent about that. So we are not putting God
very
first in our politics. We are put our interest first before our faith. Wow. And all these things are happening in Islam.
Okay. And the last one, mommy, I saw it.
Yeah, and false Christianity.
That is what? False
Christianity or pseudo Christianity.
Oh, okay.
A true Christosome.
Yeah.
And I watch my air consul multi TV and most of the TV stations now. One man church is in a deep to say it is a disgrace. And Guasi and nobody with Christosome. Integrate be this in your air consul. The Muslims say Christosome and yes, papa.
I don't know, but I could be able to. I over say we actually will be Omra. And I catch people. Oh, it's on YouTube videos everywhere. Circulated video everywhere. You go before so. Catch it by Bejina Safianim, a dumb. What you we? Will be your matches. Oh, not catching us matches. I'll see Kajatu. Now you sending them catch and new. Wash you with them. To our share. You may all call it. You may have now. Come on, if you share it also.
It even strengthened the belief say Christos may force. So the kind of Christianity it dominates Ghana. So
this is the time I said the lost church must rise up
to present New Testament Christianity. You ever church Christians who my Bible no naturally in the other side. I mean, you don't know who said, "San your man, amount for in the name of Christianity." That's not the biblical Christianity. And terrorism and your man this agenda no because many Christians many nominal Christians be blue what you must in your man in minimum the name of Christianity and your man therefore let me become a Muslim that's it so pseudo Christianity Christos man and your papa Ghana politics in selfish interest in the name of politics. I the money because of Sasa and and women political parties because the Christians no.
Yeah. That's all you did. Well, party no dom and ya sorry no party
and ignorance. Ignorance. Sabe. One Christian fu bebre ya bon e wo nkremoso ho. Men so e boa e ma agenda no e koso. And osuro I share about Muslims. So unfortunately, we are going to now study Islam. Yeah. We want to know their teachings, how they are planning to take over the world, their ideology, their agenda. Now in our churches, we start teaching Christians about all these kind of things because anyway you're Christian now in Cremoson Church, no, we did the power of Christo money yet. Now, cut them Cremofuma, they will easily convert you to Muslim.
Yeah, was wonderful. My question is about you be way of Fawi. Na Yatiaseno, in fact, a mudo, Nano, so my pastor will say, Bribri. Eti, Majidi said, Yebesia, now Mamma Kwame. Okay, now, yes, I baby moi. I know, and my father was not quite because in Yamepa. Christians' response to the Islamization agenda. okwanya a Christopher yebetumi ade a push forward through the Bible na aboa yen abetumi adi nkunim e was agenda no a biblically eye wrong na etia onyankopon no eti ye more research e wo ho
okay
ye information bebre na yesa ebebie mu me de sa question no ebeto na ye ne ahwefo ene etiefo nyina ache etiefo ne ahwefo e da mo ase se onyankopon adumala kwa otumi aboa medie kase etise ye de eboa oman no na bibia etumi koso ala na woni enhwe program yi na awurade abaye wo enhira no mesena ewo screen no so no bo modi ansa obefa open brother Richmond K Alpha takwa Ephraim Church of Christ preacher ne contact ya ewo ho sara ana osapekani Dominic Amponsa oye evangelist osanso apologist otik media so na yene no pensemu enoma eno so ewo screen no eso bo modi afa fra no sare okan ya no we asare wo be se oba asare ho na onemo ebebe adesua ebegbobu eniama awodo so oh he is ever ready bo na friend na mundi ho enkomo se egamofo enso epese yehia na ye ba Quran anasa Bible no emu a waye bebre what's why 25
yeah 25 public debates
oh very good me say matena ba ko ase ahwe ama bibia ekoso kama pa na it was very 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 educative eti Church of Christ yembo empire efa emma yemia Dominic Amponsa na onyame embue ne ntiase ne nimidie onto ne nkwandem omo no ban efa bonefo nhihie eyina mu sade ba ya dan nyina no yebeya no na watumi atichie amaye ehunumu ene emunimidie se eba bia mu a mabisa like personal life ho asam kaka
okay
because I didn't take him by surprise obi a wonko nkemosom da na when you makasa you are one of the Quran's activities we are me sure we are ba everyday akaye ina ye ho na omo aye said ba ya ye benya de ye emu enimide na tuma boa ye ye a Christopher papa na de oyame epese ye no yetumi aye. May the good Lord richly bless you and goodbye. You